Good morning and welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. I'm getting Mia in the car right now.
Hi.
Go ahead, get in, buckle up. I'm gonna take her to Lulu's house so she can get babysat for the day while I go to work, and that's where we are right now.
I got my baby too.
Cute. I hate filming outdoors in public because I feel like people are staring at me, but whatever. I'm off work and I'm on my way home. So I'm home and I figured you guys didn't want to see me do every step of my every plate recipe following. Today I'm doing the pork sausage pepper melts, and let me show you. Cut up into wedges. That's gonna be the pork sausage that we use for our sandwiches. I've got my onion sliced and my pepper sliced, and that's pretty much where we are so far. This is the finished result. I took the extra cheese and the peppers and sausage that fell out of the sandwich and put it onto the potatoes. It's messy as hell, but I'm sure it'll be bomb. Ricky and I are heading out the house now. We're gonna go see Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. It's a 5 o'clock showing. Waiting for Ricky to get in the freaking car so we can dip on out. Ricky got his tickets for the fan event, so I got a special pin and a wristband. Rise of Skywalker was so good. I cried a lot. I cried a lot and laughed a lot. Watch it soon. I want to show you guys this little life hack because my baking sheet looks disgusting and I'm tired of looking at it like that. So I'm going to take a little bit of baking soda and literally coat my baking sheet with it, and then you'll see. I'm going heavier on the places where I have extra gunk. Okay. So now I'm going to take some hydrogen peroxide and mix it with the baking soda. Okay. I'm going to grab something to mix everything together and just let it sit for a while. So now I'm going to take this little Brillo pad and just scrub. When I rinsed off the pan, I wasn't satisfied with how clean my baking sheet was. So I took the baking soda in for a second round and decided to use the big guns. White vinegar is the big gun. I use it as a last resort because I hate the way it smells, but it works so much better than the hydrogen peroxide. Now I'm going to go over it a second time with the baking soda and let it sit as long as possible. Alright, you guys, that's probably going to be the end of today's vlog. I'm going to watch Pretty Little Liars: The Perfectionist for a little bit before I continue to tackle the rest of the mess that is my house. I tell you guys every single day that I'm cleaning my house, and the honest truth is that every day I do clean my house. But every day a mess gets made. I don't know how it happens, but see you tomorrow.